Hi, this is Rochelle with Scrapcraftastic. Plan with me, and I'm here to do another week in my everyday planner, which is a B6 Stalogy and a cover by Moterm. This is what it looks like. This is the B6 Stalogy, and it is the full year, so Stalogy 365. So I'm going to be doing a from scratch spread, meaning I'm just going to be using grid paper to create my own weekly setup. I am going to be doing a Halloween themed spread. That's probably what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the month. I understand some people are not into it. I enjoy the graphics and decorating my planner for it. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I don't have all of my supplies. I thought I got the right storage bin out of storage, but I am still missing my stamps and my washi tape. So hopefully this week I'll get back over there and get that. But I did get enough to actually do a Halloween spread using my supplies. So I have this Happy Halloween sticker book by Caleb Plan that I'm going to be using. And this is the washi that I pulled. It is from Simply Gilded, all inspired by this graphic that was released last year around this time. So I'm going to be using her and maybe a sticker or two, a doll sticker or two. I'll have to see what I have that will match with this. So let's go ahead and get started. This is going to be another pretty quiet video. I'm just going to work. And if I need to let you know anything, I'll pop in and say so. I think I'm going to use day of the week stickers from Keller Plan also, so I'll have to pull that book out in a moment. But let's go ahead and get started with the washi tape. Didn't mention, but this is for the week of the 13th through the 19th. So this week was a little sticker intensive, but I think I've had that sticker book from Caliber Plan for a few years now. So it's time to stop hoarding. And I just was trying to use as many of my stickers as possible. I don't know what I'm saving them for, so I need to use them. Plus, I don't have a whole lot going on, so I don't need a whole lot of room to write. And yeah, so why not decorate with my stickers? So majority of what I use is from Caliber Plan. This was from, I think this might have been a freebie from last year. You can check this website at Scrapcraftastic. For that, I use some of my other script stickers, and that's pretty much it. Mostly Caliber Plan washi tape from Simply Gilded. If you have any questions about anything that I use, let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.